Hello, this is me again, as I promised, a little later, but here. Today I'm talking about gift recommendations for hair perfumes that are in all price ranges and that are amazingly sexy. But before that, underneath this image, you will see like a carousel where I'm listing all the products that I'm talking about. And if you want to get any of them on Amazon, you just need to click on it and you can purchase directly. You don't have to search, you don't have to go outside of Amazon. And first, I'm featuring everything used for this look, this makeup done by the beautiful Maria, because today is filming videos day. And for my hair, I did my Perfumes rollers on Sunday. So this is the third day of the hair. It's a really good thing to use, and I only do my hair once a week, and I keep the shape of the curls for many days. So again, everything used in this look. I think I forgot to list the lashes. But everything is listed in there. Now, my first choice of the night for sexy, amazing perfume is La Nuit Trésor. All these perfumes have something in common, is that they have vanilla. Vanilla is known for everybody because it has this amazing gourmand feel. Gourmand meaning that any perfume that feels like edible, containing ingredients like coffee, honey, praline, caramel, vanilla, all these wonderful things are considered gourmand. This is an amazing choice. Look how wonderful this presentation, like a diamond shape, is. This is praline, lychee, vanilla, raspberry, rose, and incense. It's extremely long lasting, and also it is amazing. It leaves a beautiful trail, so wherever you move, you will leave this aura of gorgeousness behind you. Wonderful for going out, for colder nights, and it's a beautiful gift no matter the age and no matter the preference. It's an amazing choice. Thank you for those tuning in. Thank you so much. You can please type a comment and then I can say hi. Because again, I'm doing this on my phone, so I cannot see who is in. But thank you so very much. Sorry that I advise with a very, I inform or notify with a very short notice, but again, I always think I'm not making it, and then I end up making it. So the first I said is that everything that I'm talking about is listed underneath. This is like a carousel, so you can move it left or right. And I begin with all the makeup used to achieve this look, done by the beautiful Maria. Look at this. Oh my God. I feel sexy. So let me just put this here for you to see. So this is Lancôme La Nuit Trésor. This is my first choice for a sexy gift for Christmas. So my other choice will be Givenchy La Interdite Intense. This is a release from 2020, and I have both presentations. Both are gorgeous and amazing, but this one is more exotic. It's extremely long lasting. This one has woods, flowers, white flowers, orange blossom, jasmine, patchouli, vetiver. It's woody, it's dark, it's so sexy, very long lasting, and I highly recommend this again for any age. Somebody who knows she has the power. It's just beautiful. And this is Givenchy La Interdite Intense. All you need to do is click on the product that you will see underneath, and you can purchase directly from Amazon. Now this one is from the same house. This is the first release, and it's Givenchy La Interdite. This one is amazing, beautiful, long lasting as well. This is a little more tamed, so you can use this all day long. This you will prefer for night wear. And this has all these white flowers, orange blossom, jasmine, tuberose, but also it has like a burnt sugar feel that you can feel. If any of you has prepared caramel for a custard, you know, the base that you do with brown sugar, this is what you get with this one, and it's just yummy, delicious. For any age, it makes an amazing gift that any woman will appreciate, regardless the age, regardless the preference. Now from the house of Nina Ricci, L'Extase. This is Rose Absolute, but the regular Extase is wonderful as well. And again, the star here is rose. It has woods, it has incense. I'm just reading the notes here to make sure I don't get no. It has musk and amber. It's delicate, powerful. It's not overpowering, but it's better for colder nights and also for winter wear. Such an amazing, underrated. This one was created by Francis Cordian, for those that are in the know. And everything here that I'm telling you is sexy as you can imagine. Sexy, sexy, absolutely gorgeous. From the presentation to the performance, it's all gorgeous. Look at this beauty. This is Valentina Wood Assoluto. Wood Assoluto from the house of Valentino, and this is the line Valentina. Wood is a precious wood from Middle Eastern, and it gives a quality of mystery to perfumes. Also, it amplifies any other notes, and it gives this mystery kind of feel that is so amazing and enticing and alluring. And this is one that will turn heads. For the Wood Assoluto, we have orchids, vanilla, and woods, and this is just phenomenal. And also everything that I'm telling you now is a very good price. If you're interested in any product, you just need to click to the name of it that I already did for you. It's listed, and you can purchase directly from Amazon. Now we also are talking about, from the same line and the same house, Valentino. This is Valentina Rose Assoluto. This one is more suitable for day. Look at this beautiful fuchsia bottle. This one will be more suitable for day wear. And this one has raspberry, rose, saffron, orange blossom, praline, and woody notes. I'm just reading the notes from my note, if that makes sense. Amazing. These can be used year-round, day or night, safe for the office. It's just amazingly beautiful, and only the bottle will be something beautiful to have in your dresser, right? Amazing, 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 amazing. Now another sexy bomb, because we're talking about sexy perfumes that you can give away to her, and it doesn't matter the age. This is Roberto Cavalli Nero Assoluto. First of all, this one I will spray because I need to feel it. Oh yes, this one is magnificent. First of all, none of this perfume, only the Lancôme Nuit Trésor is very known, but the others are not so common, so you will not find a whole bunch of people smelling like you. And I'm positive telling you that you will smell fantastic. This again has flowers and woods, patchouli, vetiver. It's also a great choice for winter and night wear. So girls that like to go out will have a lot of fun making and lasting impressions with these perfumes. Also for closer encounters, for sexy moments, you name it, they will not let you down. Now I'm talking about this one. Is my ultimate favorite perfume. And when I'm telling you about sexy, this is sexy in all the meaning of the word. It's sexual, it's carnal, it's yummy. It has vanilla, jasmine, it has incense, amber. It's so delicious. And it lasts in your clothes for days and days. And I'm telling you, and guys love this one. Just a hint. So it's my secret weapon of seduction. And it doesn't matter how many I have. This is the one for me that I just feel happy when I wear it, and I feel that I am la negra tiene tumbao y no camina de lado. Now I think I already spoke about this. Is another Valentino that is really, really nice, and this is Valentino Rose. Now I'm going for my favorite, or one of my favorite perfume houses, that is Guerlain, and this one is Shalimar Soufflé. I think I took the other one. This is the one. So this is Shalimar Soufflé, the perfume. I was touching these bottles and they have my prints all over the place. This is delicious. This is amazing. This smells like a lemon pie, and it's clean at the same time. It's not loud. Honestly, I always say that I still not ever, I do not enjoy the original Shalimar that much yet, but this is wonderful, and you can use in any weather, year round, any time of the day, and it will perform to your favor. It will get you compliments. It is, I need to smell this one also. It's so happy. It's happy. Happiness in a bottle. It's sexy. So yes, it's true. Everything associated with sexiness is associated to vanilla. Yes. For a reason, it's the second most expensive spice in the world. And now this is the same Shalimar Soufflé, but this is intense. So this one will be, it's very similar to the other one, but this one is more suitable for night wear. So I'm telling you, any of these will make an amazing gift. You will give something unique, something that loved one of you will not smell like everybody else. They are great performers. They're long lasting. They're very sexy. They get compliments. They have wonderful price. And I promise you, you will come back to me to thank me. I'm just telling you. So you will enjoy, she will enjoy. And again, if you want to purchase, you just need to go down and click on the product, easy peasy, through Amazon. And also because when the weather gets colder and we're using the heaters and stuff, the skin gets too dehydrated. Nuits Eau Prodigieuse, hopefully I'm saying it right, my French is not the best. This is just phenomenal. And they have the version or, which has like gold flakes in it. I have the regular one, which is this one, and they work the same. The fragrance is so beautiful that they had to make a perfume with this same aroma, and it works. This one you can use in your skin, in your hair, in your everywhere, in your face. It's just phenomenal. It also have a beautiful price. Another thing that I listed for you, I'm not wearing it today, but many people ask me about my Larimar pendant. Larimar is a stone that is only produced in my country, Dominican Republic, and I wear it very proudly. And I wear that necklace all the time. Very rarely you will see me without it. And here you have, this is natural Larimar. It's a pendant and it's a beautiful piece that you can get as well. Then this one, you have this carry-on and Larimar ring, which is also beautiful. And this another Larimar, beautiful, intricate design, very similar to the one I have, that for a reason I'm not wearing it today, but you have seen me with it everywhere. Oh my God, I can't with my hair. You see what happens when you have nice makeup and you apply a great perfume? You feel like, yes, you're the queen. Thank you so much for your time. I'm not taking any more of your time, and tomorrow I'm coming back. Yes, I am, with gift ideas for him, and these ideas are this week perfume, and we will keep at it, we will keep at it, we will keep at it until we'll do it better. Thank you again. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. If you need anything that I mentioned, you just need to look down in the carousel. It's already there for you. You just need to click and purchase through Amazon. Easy pieces, safe transaction, beautiful quality products. Anything that was used for my makeup look is there. I just forgot to put the lashes, but if you go to my store, it's Amazon shop /forward Ruth Mejia, Ruth All Things Beauty, and you will see a list of recommendations that I do have as well for everything that I like. Thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye.